Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the essential accessories for our enthusiasts. The RVGUARD RV Screen Door Crossbar Handle. If you're looking to upgrade your RV screen door, this might just be the perfect solution. The RVGUARD RV Screen Door Crossbar Handle is designed to enhance both the functionality and durability of your RV screen door. Made from robust rust-proof aluminum and ABS plastic, it not only provides a sturdy handle for ease of use but also acts as a protective brace to minimize wear and tear on your screen door. Let's talk about what makes this product stand out. Built with high-quality aluminum and ABS plastic, ensuring longevity and rust resistance. It adjusts from 215/8 of an inch to 285/8 of an inch, making it compatible with most RV, camper, and trailer screen doors. Comes with clear instructions and includes all necessary mounting screws, allowing for a hassle-free setup in just about 10 minutes. Features a non-slip grip design, providing a secure handle even in wet conditions. Whether you're navigating tight corners in your RV or simply want a more robust handle for daily use, the RVGUARD crossbar handle delivers. It not only makes closing your screen door easier but also adds an extra layer of security and stability. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable and durable RV screen door handle, look no further than the RVGUARD RV Screen Door Crossbar Handle. It's designed to make your RV life easier and more secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.